Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I've got a little bit of black left over and I've got some clear left over. I'm going to go ahead and put some of this foil in here and I'm going to make a really neat tray. They're a little thick, so I'm just trying to get going a little bit fast on them. Sometimes I like to use my leftovers for other projects that for y'all that I haven't meant to start with, but sometimes it just happens. And I love this stuff. It just goes everywhere. And you heard my sarcasm, I hope. All right, let's stir this up in here. And I'm going to make it a kind of like a two-tone thing the best I can before it goes bad on me. I know I don't have a lot, but I have some. And then I can always come back and do some more in a little bit. So if you're ever wondering what to do with leftover resin, make a tray, as long as you have enough. I love silver and black. They go so well together. Lay that right there. May not have quite enough to fill the whole tray up, but that's what leftovers are for, right? Go ahead and scoop the rest of this out with this. And I get one of my other little doodads over here. And scoosh it down there. And now, mind you, like I said, this is kind of thick. So it's not going to be perfect, but it'll be good. At least I hope it's going to be good. Let's see. Squish those together so they're blend in a little bit. All right then. That looks good to me. And when I have some more, either some more leftovers or I have some more resin, I'll be back to finish this up. See, it's fun to get dirty and messy and all kinds of stuff. I've never been one to say that I was very not messy when it comes to resin. So like I said, I'll be back. This is gone. It's set off. Yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you when it gets time for the next step. Hi everyone, I'm back. I went ahead and poured that pink on the back of this, and I'm going to go ahead and, I know it's not very thick right now, but it'll be all right. I'm going to go ahead and demold it. See how it turned out. For having extras is all that was. That turned out pretty good. I don't have my deburring tool, but I've got a little nub right there that I want to get off. So just a pair of scissors works for me. Do it just right. All right. What we're going to do is I've got this. Yeah. I've got this pretty sticker. I think I'm going to go this way with it. This is a UV DTF sticker. And I'll put the birdies on it to make it a little more livelier. And with DTF, you have that top sticker. You pull off the back side. And then you lay it down wherever you want it. Now make sure when you lay it down, you put it exactly where you want it, because you cannot change it once you put it down. That's going to be better right there. Okay. Once I lay it down, it's down. Here it goes. The reason why I flipped it around is because there was a big piece of foil sitting right there where those birds are, and had I put it the other way, it would have been right here, and you would have seen it really bad. So all you do is lay that down, and then you peel up. See how I peel up the sticker, or this top piece, and it stays where it's at. DTF stickers can don't have to be covered, but I'm going to go ahead and put a top coat on this. I think it'll make it look prettier. It'll shine it up a lot better. That mold is not exactly the best mold I've got, and I've got a few. I see those little bumps right there, those holes. Bubbles. Sorry. I saw Nemo not too long ago. I like that fish. Okay, what I'm going to do, like I said, is I'm going to go ahead and mix up some resin, and then I'm going to top coat this, and that'll look really pretty. Okay, be back. All right, we're back. I've got my resin mixed up. I've just got a little bit right there, and I've got my shininess in there. I'm going to mix some in. I say shininess. Y'all know what I mean. Some glitter. Gotta have some glitter. Just a little bit, because this stuff will overpower anything. See how that glitter is just enough to make it put a little bit of a shine in it, but not enough to make it overpower it. Let's go ahead and just pour some in here. I just want it to make it shine a little bit. And then I just tilt it so it goes to the edges. And you can always take a mica brush and use it to go around the edges so that it doesn't have bubbles. If you have a heat gun, you can spread it a little bit better. I don't know where mine went to. Spread it a little easier. Yeah, it's getting to be a little bit of the viscosity on this is a little bit thick. So, let me get my long neck lighter out. It'll still heat it up a little bit if I don't go too much over it, but let's see. That helped. Not perfect, but it helped. I don't want to put way too much in it, because then it won't have any kind of a dish to it. But I don't want to go too low, because if I do, it'll have fish eyes in it. You know, it's where those little divots are where it doesn't messes with the resin. Like what I had earlier. Like right here's a little divot. I don't know if you saw it. Well, this is pretty much all that's going to be done to it. So I will get some pictures when this cures. And thanks so much for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you for being a subscriber. If not, it doesn't cost anything to just hit that button to subscribe. Thank you so much for everyone that's watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit share. Give me a comment. Tell me what you like about it. Even just a smiley face or whatever. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.